Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin or view rights for the dashboard. This saves back and forth later. Once you open Jira and go to Dashboards, select the specific dashboard you intend to share. Make sure to inspect each gadget and its underlying filter. If a filter is private, viewers won't see its data. If needed, switch the filter to shared or replace it with a global filter. By doing this now, you prevent permission errors when you publish or send the dashboard link. Once done with filters, click the Dashboard menu and choose Share Dashboard or Configure Sharing options. This is where you set visibility. You can add specific users, groups, or project roles and assign view or edit rights. Make sure to prefer groups or roles for scalable access management rather than individual emails. If a gadget depends on a private filter, change that filter's sharing here or swap it for a shared filter so everyone sees consistent results. Save changes. You finish by copying the dashboard URL or using Jira's built-in share dialog to notify people. Include context about what to look for. After sending, ask one recipient to validate that gadgets render and numbers match expectations. If they can't see content, make sure shared filters are set correctly and that project-level permissions don't block issue visibility. As a quick troubleshooting tip, ask them to clear browser cache and retry, and recheck filter and project permissions if problems persist to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.